2,425 miles on this FLHX Street Glide Standard with blacked out options, as you can see. Very, very little chrome. Dual Brembo brakes up front. We got a River Rock gray and denim. Looks real good. Very, very dark shade of gray. Almost like a tinge of brown in there. Solo seat by Saddlemen. One-touch open saddlebags. There's a stage 1 tuner already in there, Screaming Eagle. They are lockable saddlebags. Is a kit to put on a tour rack, tour pack, sissy bar. The low, oh man, word escapes me. The antenna, excuse me. Small antenna. Passenger pegs. 114-inch Milwaukee-Eight engine. 6-speed transmission. Floorboards for the driver. Wide engine guard. What looks like to be 16-inch bars. RDRS is the function on here for traction control. Also have cruise control and thumbsticks for the infotainment system. The infotainment system allows navigation, speaks to the speakers. If you have your phone mount here, it hooks up into the USB port, which can charge your phone or a memory stick, or your phone can speak to the infotainment system either wired or by Bluetooth and play music from there, or navigation from there if you wish. Navigation is free for the lifetime of this vehicle. We also have a small windshield on the Batwing fairing, buffeting all the wind from you. Whew, if you're going 60 on the highway, 70 on the highway, 80 on the highway, you'll need it. You'll need the buffeting. Otherwise, you're taking the brunt of that force all yourself. We also have the 6-gallon tank. And the ABS line, of course, last but not least. No words can describe this feeling. Come on down for a test ride today and get your own experience. Please, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below on what you would do to this vehicle if you owned it. Have a go.